Welcome to another ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the LS901-4K projector. This is a laser projector with a really high 5500 lumens output. That's enough for any home theater application you would have, and it's actually bright enough for even a lot of big commercial venue spaces. So let's get this open and see what you get in the box. Inside the box, we're going to get out the accessories first. We have a quick start guide, including batteries for the remote. We have a power cable to connect it to the wall and power it up. And we have a small remote control. I can now pull out the projector itself. Looking at the projector itself, it's a pretty compact unit considering how bright it is. It has some features that we can point out here. On the top here are your basic controls. If you don't have access to the remote or you want to manipulate the device directly from the top, we have basically all the remote controls built in. It also has lens shift functionality. This means that the lens can shift up and down depending on what height your projection screen is mounted at, kind of make your installation a little bit easier, a little bit faster. It can also zoom. It's got 1.7 amount of zoom, so it can go from 1 to almost double that size depending on how much zoom you need to get your image nice and right, as well as 4-corner keystone correction. That's sort of morphing the image so that whatever surface it's on, you get a nice, perfectly rectangular 16:9 image that looks 4K and looks very vibrant and is very nice in your setting. On the back here, we have 2 HDMI ports, as well as a RJ45 Ethernet port. The RJ45 Ethernet port supports control over LAN, so you can control this in a commercial setting. Going over some of the specs of this projector, as I said before, this is a full 4K resolution. It also supports processing of HDR content in full 10-bit color. It is a laser projection engine, and it should run perfectly for 20,000 or more hours, many times longer than a traditional lamp-based projector. So this will actually save you money in the long run compared to any lamp-based alternative, and we don't believe that there's any lamp-based alternative that's going to be able to produce this amount of a sharp, bright image like this LS can produce. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the LS901-4K projector. It's a great entertainment option. It's a great commercial option, again, with those commercial controls built in as well. And we think that it's a really great value in the laser projection market, and we hope you get to check it out soon. For all the content on our projector products and all ViewSonic products, please go to viewsonic.com, and please watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.